This is probably my favorite project so far. So this is a project that pulls the Billboard top 100 songs played from a specific day and then automatically creates a playlist for you to bring you back in time from the music that you used to listen to. So check this out. 2007. I was a freshman in college. I was the first time out of the house, and they played Soldier Boy in the hallway of the dorms almost every other day. What's kind of cool is I gotta show you how this works, but I have to choose a different playlist to show you why I'm so excited. So check this out. Let me stop playing Fergie. So if I go to my code, I had a lot of help with this, but what's important is that it's really satisfying. So what this does is this uses the Spotify authentication and the developer Spotify module. It's called I think it's called Spotipy. And then what I'm using is Beautiful Soup to scrape the the song list from the URL top 100 for a specific date. So as you can see here, for example, this URL, the format at the end, you can just change the date and it'll give you the top 100 songs from that date. So the first is the input. It asks me what date you want to travel back in time to. Then it creates a request with that URL and scrapes the response text with Beautiful Soup HTML parser. It goes through each div class with the class name's O chart results list row container, formulates a dictionary by stripping the title and the artist and mapping that in a nice data something. What's the word? Anyway, a list, right? With a specific title. Then it uses my Spotify client credentials, authenticates with my user, then goes through each playlist, looks up the name of the song, and tries to add it to a new playlist. And then it adds it to that track using the current session and that list. It gives it a title and then puts that playlist, puts the song into that playlist. So check this out. Let's say I don't know the average age of the audience, so I'm just going to make up 20, how about 2012 in June, let's say the second week of June, okay? So there's the top 100. You can see songs in there like from Rihanna, Lil Wayne. You can see Boyfriend, Justin Bieber, Neon Trees, Jenna Kramer, Dustin Lynch, Rick Ross, Usher featuring Rick Ross. So there's some songs in there that I recognize. There's some bad words. Don't worry too much about this. I'll flag this on YouTube as a word that kids shouldn't see. But as you can see, as it goes through, it's supposed to print out, hey, I'm creating this playlist. And you can see on the left here, it will populate in a few minutes. Because it's 100 songs, so it's going to take some time. Oh, Skrillex. Awesome. I'm definitely going to play that song for you. What else is in here? Good Feeling. Oh, there you go. So it's creating a playlist, it's adding songs to the playlist. And look at that. There it is. Let's see. Carl Ray. Someone I Used to Know. That's kind of sad, a sadder song. Let's see if we can find Skrillex. Rumor Has It. Remember Adele? I didn't know that came out in 2012. How about I Won't Give Up? I think that's gonna be a good song. Unless it's a sad song and I just don't remember. But I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah, don't give up. Keep going, keep going. I haven't seen some of these songs in a really long time. Wow. Burn it down. Okay, I'm just gonna twist it a little bit here. Wow. And as I promised. Wow. That's it. Thanks. Have a good day.